develop surgical instruments. I started to work as an engineer again. And I have been awarded to be the best inventor in Sweden 2 times. One time 2012, other time 2023. I am expert in the field of IP strategy, in the field of regulation, and of course I have been working with the product development for 27 years. We have a time limit now. I will jump over these slides. And when I came to Kurdistan again, to my origin here, so I started to think why we are not an industrial country, why Europe and many other countries succeeded to develop products, to work a lot in different fields. So what I noticed, we have a gap between the education and the market needs. So our research, our job is like become limited as a university. We don't have the culture to develop it further, to offer a product to the market and to create industry, to create factories. We didn't work in that direction. So we stayed at the level of education. And this is not good. We need to go another step to start producing products, developing in a smart way, as Professor Mohammed mentioned. So we established a Kurdistan Innovation Institute. It was started as an initiative from our Prime Minister, His Excellency Masroor Barzani. We decided, had many meetings, decided to create this institution to fill this gap, to develop products in Kurdistan and in Iraq, and even starting an industrialization revolution in the Middle East. We will start from here. Okay? So our vision is to promote technology, to have a sustainable economy. It's important. We need, until now we buy the technology from outside. Why we are not producing it? Why we are not selling our technology to other countries? So this is a question everyone in this conference needs to think about it. Why we are not doing it? What's the problem? We have money, we have intelligent people, we have knowledge. We were the first people came with the innovation in the history. Sumerian people. We were the first people. So how to do it? We need to create a network, a collaboration between the universities where the knowledge is there and the government, the politics, environment, and bring investor in the system. So to create a new innovation system and even establishing what I call it a new model for developing, which I call it innovation factory. So this is what we did. We created a new innovation system in Kurdistan. We start with it. Hopefully it will be in the dialogue. So we connect these three stakeholders to succeed with our mission and vision. And what I brought from Europe, my experience, 27 years in product developing. So I thought, if we put a lot of elements, tools inside one place, okay, so we will succeed. It was like a dream for me, how to do it the last 2 years. So this is why we established a very simple workshop, which is included in Kurdistan Innovation Institute, in order to realize our ideas, to make a prototype, to test our technology, to see how we can do it. It's okay to fail, we can repeat it, and until we will succeed. So we are working in this development area today for the next 5 years, but even if we can get another idea from another field, we are working with them as well. So we are working with agriculture technology, renewable energy, automation, transportation, and health. that's what like there's a big need for these development area. So this is like in our workshop, which has been newly established. We developed a turbine for renewable energy. So this is our engineers and cooperators. So we started to design it in a smart way, to see the needs of the, to look to the rivers, make a research, in cooperation and collaboration with the universities, with the Dehōk University and Zafo University. So we succeeded. It's not like difficult. To do it in good way, to bring the project, to make it in different steps. Succeed with multiple steps, we will succeed. Why the people in Europe can't do it? We can do it as well. Okay, and it's working. First prototype is working because we did it in scientific way, in good way, with a good management of the project. So this will be the future. The next year we will start building the plant to produce energy from our rivers to save our environment. So this is another like short video showing how it's like based in Zafo. It's a testing site for us. It's not like a real. It's just testing to get knowledge to go to the next step. Our water turbine is so important project. We can like put it anywhere near alongside our rivers. We have many rivers, just in Kurdistan and in Iraq. We have Tigris, Euphrates. We have 3 big rivers in Kurdistan. Put it near the village to give them the energy without any transportation cost. So done by us, we can scale it up, scale it down, even to make a small one to supply one house with it. Yeah. We got 8 new innovations in this project. So this has been done over 1 year. Okay? 8 new innovations to be able to produce it here. In order we make it in a smart way, in order to have could succeed with it. We produce the gearbox, we produce the turbine, the bearings. The bearings is like advanced technology done by 1 or 2 companies in the world. But we did it. We can't do it if we do it in correct way, with a good management. So this is another project. It's ready to be we will start to work to build it. It's a design. It's a ready feasibility study. Everything is done. How we will do it. So it's a smart greenhouse with a vertical farming, so we can increase the plantation area. So not just having one level, we can have it 10, 8 levels depending on the plant, what we are going to have it, what we are going to, which kind of the product we need to produce with it. So even the water is circulating. We don't lose any drop of the water in it, and we can even have like the year around to produce vegetables, to produce anything from it. So this will be ready after 2 months, because just also it's very easier than to produce it than the turbine. So our greenhouse is like a smart greenhouse. It's very necessary for our sustainable environment here. To deliver it, mostly can be used in Baghdad and in the south part of Iraq, because they have a problem with the water. So another project, which is we designed it, we have a concept prototype for it, and we start to work with it in January, in the beginning of next year, to make the first real prototype with 200 meters beside the road 150, and the next step will be make your first loop in hopefully it will be at the airport in Hawler. So the video I have here, how it's working. So this is like metro, sustainable metro, like hanging up the electrical, autonomous, non-driver with a sensor. You are doing in a smart way. Yeah, working there. So it's an innovation. It's a new innovation because the way it will move around it, it's a very new way. Hasn't been done in another 3 other projects in the world. Just the 3 cities has such a kind of system. So this is a project we developed and for the hospitals, how to transfer one patient from one bed to another in an easy way without like lifting up them and getting back pain and saving the patients. So it's easy things. We can't produce such a thing here. We can't do that. We can do the R&D. Another project, we start with the air purifier, with the walking paper, with the tools for the blind people, using artificial intelligence in it. And we are working with the traffic light system. We will make it smart, as Dr. Mohammed said, for smart cities, to have a camera to detect this type, have more cars and than others. So just to have a courage to start deciding, I want to develop, I want to do changes, I want to make products, so all the other things will be easy, believe me, just to be that courage to do it. And even working with the, so this is another project for the, very simple, we developed it within 2 months, hopefully it will be in the market next year. So we have a process. We cannot develop any project if we don't have a procedure, a process that it will be like working with the way. So when we're developing a process, a way how to make things, everything can be easy. Even we developed a process how to receive ideas from other people, from the younger generation. We have many smart people here, so we can, and how we can like deal with these with application, how we support them with ideas, mentorship, some of the kind of financial support and engineering, etc., etc. So any project doesn't matter. It's a very big, like what we are saying, suspended metro. It's amazing big, and the hydropower is a very big project. When you are doing it in multiple steps and working stepwise, step by step, you will succeed after like a while. You will see, I could do it. So just divide it in many, many steps and work with it. This is what we adopted from the international standard to increase the quality of the project as well. Not just make the project to be done, but even to increase the quality. So we start with the, like this way. So you will see some of our project in different steps. It depends on the complexity. It depends on different things. One important thing we need, like here. I don't know if you have a. Sorry. Here is the most important step: is to make a risk analysis for everything. What is the challenges in front of me or in front of the project?